It's your boy OBC. This video I'm doing now, I'm just doing it by myself. Um, I want to show you guys how this boy, this 21 years old boy, who have been suffering from oppression, I want to show you where he is of today, where he is today. What I mean is now, so that you will see by yourself how the boy have been surviving. And even though many people are saying a lot of things about him, but let us go and see what is happening with him, so that you too will see by yourself. But what I'm telling you, what I want to tell you now is, as you are watching this video, please just make sure that you share this video so that this video will go viral, so that this boy can be able to get help from people. This boy seriously need help. Let's go. And I believe after this video we are going to do now, I'm still going to visit his mother, because his mother is alive. We are going their house to also verify about something. Please let us just follow this follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and you will be getting our videos. We want to make sure that this boy will get help, and I'm promising you that any little help you give to this boy, you will receive your blessing. God will reward you for that. And if you don't have anything to give, share this video so that people that have can give. And as you do this, God will bless you. Thank you. As you watch, just watch this video and see what I'm telling you. Thank you. This is how this boy have been lying on the road. Just make sure that you cover the market, so that people will see that it's along the road that how the boy have been suffering. You see, this is how people used to come and pass him. Let us ask him some few questions and know how the thing is doing him. See, everybody will come and we see him and leave. Yeah, this one is come and see and go, come and see and go. That's how people used to watch him every time on the way. Many are tired of helping him. Almost everybody in the town are tired of helping him. This is how the boy has been suffering. So what we are saying is not just joke. It's not just joke. It's a reality. It's a reality. So let's go to close to him. Hey, bro, Zava. So how the thing is happening to you now?
Feeling the pain seriously. Pain me now very well.
You're feeling me very well now.
No small thing would even reach my stomach, so because I don't have money to buy that drugs now.
So sometimes the thing used to enter your brain.
Yes. If you enter my brain, I will faint.
You will faint.
Yes.
Okay. So that is it. That's what the boy is passing through. As you can see, he's calling people. Yeah. Mark, let me for him. Okay. Okay. You see, look at how people are.